We consider correctness. Is 99.99% of the data returned actually accurate? And coverage. Do 99.9% of features work for 99.9% of users? Stripe, for example, focuses on money movement SLOs, tracking the success rate of payments, not just if their API is up. A fast API response that fails to process a payment is far worse than a slightly slower one that succeeds. This shift ensures you're measuring what truly impacts your users and your business. Now, let's connect how we watch our systems with how we make our work more efficient. Traditional monitoring often alerts on symptoms like high CPU usage. SRE monitoring, however, focuses on user impact, like a slow checkout process. This is where the golden signals framework comes in. Latency, how long requests take; traffic, how much demand hits your system; errors, the rate of failed requests; and saturation, how full your system is. Uber's philosophy is key here. Page only when user experience is degraded and immediate action is required. This dramatically reduced alert fatigue. This leads us to toil, that manual, repetitive work that scales linearly with service size. SRE teams aim to keep toil under 50% of their work, dedicating the rest to engineering that scales sublinearly. The automation hierarchy ranges from no automation to fully self-healing systems. Google's insight: if an on-call engineer handles the same issue twice, it becomes an automation target. It's about building systems to be inherently more reliable, reducing the need for human intervention. Finally, let's touch on some advanced SRE patterns and bring it all together. Smart teams integrate canary deployments with error budget health. When your error budget is healthy, you can roll out new features faster. If it's depleted, you extend those canary phases or even pause deployments. This allows for safer, data-driven releases. Another critical practice is blameless postmortems. The goal isn't to find who caused an issue, but to understand how the system allowed it to occur. We focus on process failures, not human error, to prevent recurrence.